that is supposed to be a garden. Basically, after 5 years and using store-bought dirt and store-bought compost, it's still a sand pile. I need something more permanent and more renewable. How about maybe let chickens fix it? We need to build a chicken coop. Pile of materials. You can only get these lightweight, 2x3s in 8-foot lengths, but I need 10 feet. So what I did was I built myself a scarfing jig. So I'm going to fasten pieces together to get them up with my 10 foots because, well, I wanted to build with cheap materials and short stuff, so that's what you got to do. The essential plan for the chicken coop is basically a grid that's reinforced by using dado joints every 24 inches and then rabbets on the ends, and then I'm going to use wire screening, or it's actually woven wire fencing, to reinforce the whole structure along with the glue and the screws. So normally for dados you'd use a router, but I am cutting out of 2x4 or 2x3s and going to take out large amounts of wood, so I'm going to use a chisel and then clean it up with the router. But that's essentially the plan for the basic, sides, walls, and ends of the structure. So let's get to it. Altogether, I made 48 slots. That's 40 dados and 8 rabbits. And now that I got all the slots made, let's do a dry fit. See if all my work actually fits. Well, that turned out fairly well. So let's go ahead and button it up with some glue and screws. Now that I stand it up, it's about as sturdy as I expected a freestanding stud wall to be, so we'll cart that off and do that one more time, and that'll kind of be the end of what we're doing here on this video.